I'm here today to demonstrate the use of the effortless electrical spacer, which looks like this. This is a kitchen backsplash that's been placed here. And now you'll notice that after it's been placed, this electrical outlet is set back in the wall, and you can see that the cover plate won't fit. So the purpose for the spacer is to correct that problem. So you can see here we have the receptacle retaining tabs, the receptacle retaining screws on both the top and the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the retaining screws. Obviously we've turned the electricity off, number one. That's your first priority. I'm using this electric driver just because it's quicker. You can use a regular driver here if you'd like. I'm using these tweezers so that my big hand doesn't get in the way. The next thing we do is we want to measure the depth of these receptacle box back here, the electrical box, to the surface of our new tile. So what we're doing is we're getting the depth of the new tile plus the adhesive that's there by taking a measurement, as we're doing here. And that measurement is a little over half an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch. The next thing we do is we take our spacer material, we measure that, and then we're going to add to that measurement at least 1/4 of an inch. Because this is compressible and we want to be able to compress it. That's where we get the strength from. First thing I'm going to do is I replace the top screw. You can do either one. I'm going to use my tweezers just so my big hand won't get in the way. We place the cut spacer then in the opening there, and then just tighten that down a little bit just so it's held there. We do the same thing on the bottom. Place the retaining screw, the cut spacer material, which you can cut very easily with a pair of scissors. Line it up with the hole on the bottom. Start that one. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing these tabs now down flush with the wall surround, and I'm going to use my electric driver just because it's quicker. And start with the bottom one, I'll draw it in. Same thing at the top. Line it up, draw it down. Because of the compressibility of the spacer material, this is very tight and snug then, and it's now also flush with the wall, the surrounding wall tile, so that we can simply then take our cover plate, place it on here, replace the screw, tighten it down, and now everything is flush with the wall surround. This is the use for the effortless electrical spacer.